Look at this amazing view of the ocean. Hey everyone, I just arrived in Gold Coast after done 1 hour driving, and I am going to do a walking tour around Surfers Paradise and look around several nice places, and hopefully I can show you guys around Surfers Paradise. If you like my video, please subscribe and leave comment. And today's weather is really nice, so I'm hoping to able to do some really nice filming today. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome to Surfers Paradise. It's absolutely amazing day today. Very beautiful ocean, beautiful beach. Look at that. I'll be starting doing the walking tour to show you around. Okay, you can also get a Lime bike to rent, and you can cycle around Gold Coast. It is such a lovely day. Everybody enjoying cycling and doing exercise, swimming, family day out, building sandcastle. It's a really lovely day today. Go for a pure swim. Look at the weather, so nice. Wow, look at the little cute koala. Please come to Gold Coast. Surfers Paradise is such a nice place for holidays. If you do come in summer, please apply sunscreen and have a great time here. And always make sure you swim between the flags. Very important, so the lifesaver can see you. Okay, I'm going to check out some of the shops around Surfers Paradise. Okay, I'm in Surfers Paradise shopping area, so I'll just walk around, show you some of the shops. Wow, look at amazing food. Pork and Breast Cafe is they serve a lot of steak and really good food. Peak is a really nice ice cream place. It's actually named after a town in Switzerland, I think. Surfers Paradise Center, there's a big shopping center there. It's a really good, nice gelato shop. Okay, this is the famous sign, Surfers Paradise. Beautiful ocean in front of us.